300 gram I demand.
The meat is so fatty, so 300 might be too much.
It's fine.
That's a big steak.
Isn't this beautiful?
Very pretty.
Wow. What is this, Jay?
This is salting the steak, so we get moisture. Don't need much. Just don't need all. Okay.
What's she doing?
Peeling the onion.
What sauce will you make?
Pepper.
Doing what? What's she doing there?
Bring the air fryer on. Bring the pepper. Beef stock. Carrots.
Salt?
Yeah. Need some mustard. Tarragon.
Is it purple or it's my camera?
A little purple.
Why is it purple? This is our dining table and the chef is servicing. We have
Spanish. You want to try? Okay.
It's a perfect medium rare. See?
It's a bit too salty.
I'm happy. Mm. It's crunchy. Not a lot of flavor. But it's good to cut with all these flavor here. Like you can take a rest from the taste. I love you, baby.
Wow, it's so.
Thanks for the meal with the wine.